Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Farhani binti Muhammad Saubi. My matric number is 1161952. Now I will begin my industrial training presentation, which take place at AKK Printing Enterprise. So at the right side of the slide, you will see the logo of the company. So in my explanation, I will divide it into 4 chapters, which is Introduction, Organization Information, Task and Appendix. So we go to the Introduction chapter, which is the background. Industrial training is a mandatory requirement for students in specific programs at all levels of higher education. For students of Quranic Studies with Multimedia with honors, this training is mandatory as a condition of awarding a bachelor's degree to each student of final semester. Industrial training itself refers to the placement of a student in an organization to conduct supervised practical training in selected industries within the period set by the university. And this training is also a program that provides exposure and experience to students about the real state of world of work in the field of Quranic and multimedia. So this is the factor why I select the organization which is close to majoring in studies, which the company offer me to a designer position which is close to my studies, and it is close to public facilities which is located at TSP Commercial Centre, Sungai Buloh, and it has bus MRT and near to the MRT station. And it is close to my home, which is Damansara Damai, so it is easy for me to go to work. And it is the company provides subsistence allowance, which is good and enough for me, as I do not have any commitment to pay any rent or other payment. And lastly, it is a comfortable workplace which is provided with facilities such as toilet, prayer room, and pantry. So this is my university supervisor, which is Ustaz Nizamuddin bin Zakaria. He is the lecturer of Faculty of Quranic and Sunnah Studies, and there is the contact number and the email if you would like to contact him. And my industry supervisor is Encik Ahmad Khuzali bin Kamaruddin, which is the CEO or founder of the AKK Printing Enterprise. Next, the objective of this internship is to understand the responsibilities of the real world of work. Next, to gain practical experience appropriate to the field specialization of each, and to apply academic knowledge and skills in the real world of work. Enhance knowledge, skills, especially soft skills, such as communication skills, to the environment, employment. And lastly, enhancing employment opportunities to the marketability of students to be more competitive. Okay, so next we go to the organization information, which is AKK Printing Enterprise is a non-governmental organization run by a married couple, which is Encik Khuzali and his wife, which hold the position as the assistant manager. This company specializes in the field of printing products and service such as shirt, woven bag, and sticker label. And the company itself is an acronym for the founder's name, which is Ahmad Khuzali Kamaruddin, AKK. And this company started operation in 2012 by having regular customers and suppliers. It has been operating for 8 years until 2020 until now, especially in online-based marketing. And AKK Printing Enterprise has graphic designers who can design products to meet every customer request, and this company also expertise in providing shirt silk screen printing, embroidery heat press, and factory press with the best quality assurance. For your information, this company operates at 9 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. from Monday to Friday on the weekdays. So this is the vision and mission of the company, which is the vision is to meet the needs of customers by providing fast, better quality and creative services. The mission is to be well established and competitive with other printing companies to penetrate the outside marketing. And it is the organization chart, which is the CEO and founder is Encik Ahmad Huzali Kamaluddin, and his wife as the assistant manager Puan Ain Ahmad, and his company also have one designer which is Siti Maisarah Silaman, and they have team marketing, sales and marketing which is 3%. Next, the regular and periodic activities of organization is cleaning session, which is twice a month done by the cleaning service hired by the company, and we will also have instant meeting in the morning if required or regarding any issues that arise. So the next chapter is the task. Due to pandemic COVID-19, I have divided my task explanation into two parts, which is before MCO and after MCO. During MCO. So before movement control order, MCO from week 1 to week 6. Firstly, week 1, I do the task which is making some sheet design for family day, product sticker design and premium gift. Entering second week, I have main task which is I need to hit press name on the jute bag according to the correct color and size. Besides, I also do side tasks which is hit press items such as name, image, logo, numbers on the jersey of 40 pieces and above. Fold the jersey and packing it before delivering to the customer. I also do counting and double checking the size and quantity of shirt received by suppliers, peeling the vinyl material to be stick on the shirt and bag, packaging the jute bag to deliver to the customers, and entering week 6, we have rotation with my other intern mate, which I need to design the name by using Adobe Illustrator, and I need to cut the name using the Suma machine. And during movement control order, week 7 to week 15, the company decided to start online, and I need to do the work from home. The flow is the order will be uploaded by the sales team on the medium Google Drive of the company, and my task is from the Google Drive, I need to download the list of orders that contain the details of customers' order and arrange it into the size of vinyl card, and I need to upload it to the Google Drive back, and it will be settled down by the employer and only a few staff that can be at the store premise at that time. My contribution towards organization, the internship student provides space and opportunities to the company to try a new market such as jute bag. Before this, they do not have enough staff, but with the help from the practical student and existing employees, the company was confident and able to try the new market of this jute bag product. With the cooperation, energy and ideas from all parties, make this jute bag product is a successful project that can still survive to this day, and a good work focus for each given task make this jute bag product run smoothly with help of the practical student. Benefits from the organization, I could experiencing using the Suma machine that is commonly used to cut PU vinyl material that usually used on the jute bag, woven bag, shirt and printing products. I also learned on how to use heat press machine to settle down the task, explore, maintain and prioritize the quality of products produced by the company in terms of packaging and delivering. I also could strengthen my communication with others regardless of class and rank, and I also confident to try something new, and I do not feel afraid to make mistakes after trying the best possible. and the nature of trust and responsibility in each task should be on my shoulder. The strength and weakness of the organization. The company's strength is they have high competitiveness and has its own advantages because they could maintain the regular customer and supplier until this day. But the weakness, some weakness of the company is as I can see and I observe, the staff always take the given job lightly because they do not monitored by the employer regularly, and the industry students are not given enough opportunities to study field related to their studies. My suggestion for improvement is with the university effort to require students to undergo industry training should be continued to create students who are skilled in the field they are involved in regardless of theoretical or practical aspect. The industry is also expected to always provide more exposure and opportunities for the trainees to work together to solve all the problems faced. The trainees must always receive instruction and trust given by the management of the company to undergo more effective and productive industry training. Lastly, the students should also be sensitive to the situation that occurs during industry training conducted, as trainees should not expect 100% guidance from the supervisor. Sometimes we need to explore it by ourselves. And last chapter is the appendix. So this is the in front of the company. Is a lot of shop in floor 3, and this is the banner. And the right side of my slide is my industry supervisor, and this is the main machine used in this jute product, which is heat press machine and suma machine. And this is the activities that I've been doing during my internship period. Heat press, filling, and designing. And this is the result of the jute bag that we produce. And this is during MCO COVID-19. We need to, the supervisor need to do visit through medium WhatsApp call. And last, thank you. Assalamualaikum.